Outdoor space has become key as we deal with coronavirus, and with more people adjusting to a lifestyle centered more close to home, communities are seeking ways to meet the changing needs of residents, including affordable housing, easy access to amenities, and eco-friendly upgrades. Joining us now is Geeti Silwal. She's an urban planner and developer who's playing an active role in transforming Sacramento into a more accessible, regenerative city. Welcome to the show, Geeti. You're known for a people-first approach in your developments. Tell us a little bit about that philosophy.
Absolutely. Good morning. Glad to be on the show. People First is primarily looking to see how we design places and how we bring about new urban fabric, which really prioritizes people health and the health of the environment first, and really steers us away from a car-dominated development.
Okay, and here in downtown Sacramento, you're working on the master plan for Sacramento Valley Station. Tell us about that project in particular.
Absolutely. The Sacramento Valley Station, it's the primary focus of this site is to create the right conditions for an efficient and a well-performing intermodal, regional, multimodal transit hub. And it is looking to see how it can seamlessly integrate the very many different transit modes that come together over there. The Amtrak train, the new light rail, the streetcar from West Sacramento, and of course a number of last mile, first mile micromobility modes of travel. So that's its primary focus. But beyond a station, it's a mixed use, mixed income, multi-generational, complete community. One which has an office, housing, retail, hotel, and of course a big offering of civic destinations and neighborhood and community amenities.
Yeah, and you've done projects like this in the Bay Area. Is this the way the Northern California is going when we're talking about developments? People don't want to have to go more than 15-minute walk or a short bike ride to get where they're going.
Absolutely. That is definitely something we're all kind of waking up to see how we can provide communities which are complete and you can walk and bike to your day-to-day errands and not having to get into a car. Not only does it reduce the amount of carbon emissions that our general day-to-day lifestyle actually by default brings about, but it also kind of promotes public health. And it's if you're moving around and if you're more active, then you are looking out for your public health and the health of the environment.
And what are some of the other elements that are going into this Sacramento Valley Station plan as far as when we talk about energy, when we talk about water use?
Absolutely. This has been extremely aspirational. It has very aspirational goals. It's inspiring to be net positive energy. It wants to produce, or it wants to kind of take care of 105% of its energy needs by renewable energy. So it's positive energy. It's looking to have net positive water use on the site in terms of providing all of the non-potable water uses by gray water, recycled water. And it's really trying to enforce a biophilic design, which is where the design of the built environment naturally kind of integrates in nature and natural processes and really helps us connect with our senses. And the sensory experiences are really rich in this environment.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I look forward to seeing as it comes to life here in Sacramento. Geeti Silwal, thanks for joining us. If you want more on the Sacramento Valley Master Plan, you can go to cityofsacramento.org.